everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Boxycharm unboxing. It did finally come, yay! So we will be doing the premium Boxycharm unboxing for August. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stick around. We'll jump into that in a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do unboxings, I do makeup try-ons, reviews, hauls, anything related to makeup really. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. When I get to 50 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway, so I'm super excited about that. And typically I upload on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So without any more talk, I will jump into Boxycharm this month. So it is my premium box. When I opened it up, it actually has two seals on it. It looks like they sealed everything up at Boxycharm, opened it back up, and then resealed it. And quite a few of my products came on top of all of the padding instead of in between it. So I'm not sure what happened at the Boxycharm this month, but you know, I do not have a card either. So I don't know how much the products are worth. I don't have a theme for this month. I just know it's my August premium Boxycharm. And the dogs make an appearance again. So now that the dogs are done barking, hopefully we're going to jump into the products. And so I apologize, I don't have any descriptions, I don't have any price quotes or retail values. I will put that in the description box when I finally do get that information, but right now I just have the products. So the first product I have here is the Dermelect, D-E-R-M-E-L-E-C-T, Dermelect XL Lash Volumizer. I have never heard of Dermelect before. Maybe I just am not up on my game here, but it says this is an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. It transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. Specifically formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes, formulated with strengthening trio of active multi-peptides, conditioning treatment, unbeatable coverage, and volume. That's interesting. So I guess maybe it's a color? Let's check this out and open it up and see. So nice packaging, white, silver cap here. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I'm curious. And it doesn't. It is just clear. It is not a color. The wand is plastic with small little bristles to brush through. I thought it was the Boxycharm. We got the Manicatar lash lengthening booster thing. So this is probably a very similar thing. I haven't quite decided if they're gimmicky or if they really work. I don't know. So that's my first thing. The next thing I have is, looks like a leftover Fenty product from when they did the Fenty stuff. And so this is the Portable Contour and Concealer Brush in 150. So I'm not sure what that means, so let's open it up. I do like Fenty products overall. I think the packaging is beautiful, typically very streamlined. And so this is, yeah, literally just a little brush, a little silk brush. It does have a little pull-up sleeve so that you can put the lid back on without hurting the bristles kind of thing. Well, there you go. It is very small. I suppose you could use it for concealer. There is just no way that I would think that this would blend your contour out because it is very small. I don't know, I have a heavy hand maybe, I don't know. So there's that. So far I'm not super impressed with the Boxycharm this month. The next thing is one that I actually picked. So this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. And I was super interested in this. I wanted to see how it worked as a primer. I was smart enough to bring a knife. I just got a kitchen knife. Yeah, I know that sounds scary and dangerous to be opening packages with, but it's better than my teeth. And so here is the package. It is that beautiful bright orange color. I want to see what the primer actually looks like. Oh wow, and it came out pretty quick. So there's the primer. It is a little bit of a kind of an orangey yellow base there. And it does smell very vitamin C, very like that orange, fake orange, chewable vitamin C thing. Well, it's not fake orange, but that vitamin C chewable tablet, that's that powdery vitamin C drink mix. That's what it smells like. At least that's what I think it smells like. And so it says that this instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. So super interested to try this. I really am excited about that product. And this was actually one that I picked for my box. So really like that. My boxer is in here checking everything out if you hear stuff in the background. Next product I have is the Milk Makeup. This is their Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. So let's see. Again, Milk Makeup, very sleek, simple packaging. Oh, that's interesting. Guess I was thinking that it would be a black color, but it is actually silver. I'm not going to put it where I put the primer. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, and that's kind of cool and pretty, but it is super soft. The tip has already broken off of that, and that was just hardly any pressure on there. Very, very, very soft. It's all over me now. But that's an interesting color, kind of a silvery gray color there. Oh, and then on the other side is a blender so that you can, I guess, blend it out if you don't want that just a line. Sorry, I'm getting the piece all over me. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, so it's interesting. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what in the world. Oh, and look, it does have a sharpener. So the tip that has that little blender also has a sharpener if you pull it out, so that you can sharpen and get the tip back. That is one thing that I appreciate, because sometimes with these twist up pens, you don't get that sharp, precise line again unless you actually sharpen them. So I do think that that's pretty cool. And I'm looking at the tip of that. I know that's probably going to be hard to see and focus on, but it's kind of a lilac-y silver. And so I don't know if that's almost, although it's hard to see in the camera, it's almost a lilac-y silver metallic. So that's kind of cool. I like interesting, different things that I wouldn't typically get. Very cool. Okay. The next thing I got is MAC lipstick. I am embarrassed to say that I have never owned a MAC lipstick before. I have always wanted to. I've never went out and purchased them because I purchased all kinds of other lipstick. I do love that packaging, very similar to that Mented, although the Mented has that soft rubberized that I like so much better. This is just very sleek, typical MAC packaging, and it is in the color Mocha 813. It looks like it has melted on the way here, because that's not shimmer in it. It's like melty on the outside. So we're going to be careful with this as we swatch it. I am going to swatch it, I guess, over here. And so that is a pretty color. A little bit of a brown red. Pretty. Okay, so MAC. I like it. That's cool. Yeah. And then the last packaging here is the Editor Palette by Ciate London. I feel like we seem to get lots and lots of Ciate London products. Not that that's a bad thing, just, you know. The palette is beautiful. It is pink. It is hard plastic. It has like this lilac-y, dusty blue pattern on it. I think that's beautiful. And there is the inside. Now that's gorgeous. Lots and lots of shimmer and metallic shades. Only a couple of mattes, but absolutely beautiful. And I don't want to blind you guys, but nice big full mirror, which I love. Very, very sleek. I like that a lot. Now I think that's cool. Okay, so let's swatch a couple of these. I think I would like to swatch this one, which is this beautiful red color, and we're going to swatch it right on my arm. Look at that. That is gorgeous. We're going to swatch this purpley color right here. Look at how shimmery and metallic those are. Those are like butter. They're beautiful. Now I'm going to swatch a matte. Let's do this kind of like pinky coral matte. Oh, even the mattes are beautiful. Very, very pretty. Oh, I'm excited to use this palette. Okay, So Boxycharm, at first I wasn't quite sure about it, but it's actually a nice box. So Ciate London I love, the MAC I love. We'll try all these things out in a try-on. The Milk Makeup is interesting. It's a different color, so I'm excited by that. The primer is something that I've really wanted to try, so I'm super excited about that. The products I'm not so is this brush. I won't use it for anything. It's just not something that's going to be useful to me, so I'll save this for a giveaway. And then the Dermalect, I will also save this for the next giveaway because these are two products that I probably won't use. I had been trying the Manic Guitar and I don't want to mix them up and not know what works. So we'll save this and this for when I hit 50. So super exciting. Boxycharm, overall it was not bad. I do think for premium, sometimes my expectation for premium is like Ole Hendrickson, yeah, I know I'm not saying that right. Anyways, higher quality or maybe more expensive, more bougie product lines than like Ciate London. But overall, a good box. Very strong. Love that Ciate palette. Those are just gorgeous, gorgeous shadows. Super excited to do a try on. So my next video I'll put up will be the Boxycharm regular unboxing. Hopefully I'll have that by then, and then I'll combine everything and kind of do a Boxycharm try on. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will be getting my Botox shots as you guys watch this, so I'm super excited. I hope that it will help my migraines this time. I hope you guys are all doing great. I hope you're able to stay safe and be supportive of each other. Thank you guys again so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.